What's up YouTube, Linux Fan Man here. Just doing a quick video real quick. Actually this is an old video I'm actually going to post that I'm going to edit into this video about the 72 pin connector on the NES. Just a simple repair. Just kind of show how to do it. I think I did this video back in 2010ish. So mind you, it's in 420 or 480p, so the resolution is not the greatest, but it's got some useful information in here for people that want to go ahead and do this repair. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Okay guys, this is actually pretty dang easy. There's not much to this. First thing you're going to need, of course, is your 72 pin connector. A Phillips screwdriver. And scissors that could open that bag for the 72 pin connector. And you can go ahead and just lift the top of the old Nintendo off, like so. And then you're also going to have to take these screws off for the RF shielding. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, there we go. Now, as you can tell, looks like I had a friendly spider. I don't know if you guys can see that web, but it looks like I had a friendly spider making a house inside of my Nintendo. So before I put this thing back together, I'm going to spray it out with some canned air. Now, what you'll have is this, which is the little mechanism, I guess what you call it, the cartridge tray. So what you want to do, you want to take out these screws here. Now a few of these screws are longer, so just keep track of where they go. It's very important you do that. Now, go ahead and screw the rest of the motherboard here. Alright, and it just slides off like this, guys. And there you go. There's the 72 pin connector. Right here, the bad one that we're going to replace. So, essentially all we do is just pull it off like that. Just pulls right off. And yeah, I can definitely see some wear and tear in there. In fact, it has some lint right here. I don't know if you can see that. So, I go ahead and slide this bad boy on here. Just like so. And this slides right in there, just like it did previously. And then the fun part is just trying to line everything back up. Now another thing, guys, I've noticed doing this on other people's systems is that these two screws up front here, sometimes if you tighten them down too tight, this will not lock in place like it's supposed to. So make sure that you check that before you put everything back together, or else you'll be in a world of hurt. In this case it's actually okay, so we're just going to leave it. Now for the RF shield, it just goes right back on top like it was before. And there's little plastic pegs. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's little plastic pegs here and like right here. You just got to make sure, and there's one back here as well. Just make sure they're all lined up properly. Alright guys, and that's the way it looks there. Just like that. And like I said, just make sure that this is properly seating, which it is. And let me go get some canned air to blow this thing out. Alright, that takes care of that. And then you just put the top cover back on and screw in those screws. Alright guys, there we go. Now just checking that thing one more time, and let's go ahead and test it out, see if it works. Anyway guys, here's the cartridge I just had in there before that wasn't working. Let's go ahead and stick it in there. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight now. No problem loading at all now. So, if you guys are having a problem with your Nintendo not wanting to load games anymore, that's basically the fix for it. Really easy. Takes you about 10-15 minutes at the most to do.